Welcome to Hypa, your multilingual AI assistant built for real conversations, creativity, and real-time knowledge. In this video, we will walk you through all the powerful features that make Hypa not just smart, but personal. First up is Chat, the core of Hypa. Just head to the chat interface and start talking. No setup, no extras. This is the default mode where you can ask anything, brainstorm, or have natural conversation. Need something translated? Hypa can do that too. In the chat, switch to translate mode. Type your message and specify the target language. Hypa will instantly translate and speak it out. Ideal for quick language help or international chats. Want Hypa to read your text out loud? Use the synthesize mode. Choose your preferred voice. Type your message up to 140 characters and press enter. Hypa will instantly generate audio in that voice. It's perfect for voiceover, narration, or hearing your ideas come to life. To use the voice chat, go to the menu, then select voice chat. Then start your chat as usual. Now the difference between the voice chat and the default chat is that the voice chat will give you response in audio and in text, which you can also download. And by the end of this video, we will show you how to download any of your audio response from hypachat.com. Now to use the transcribe feature, select transcribe from the menu. Then you can either record or upload your files. When your files is uploaded, press send, then wait for the assistant to transcribe your audio. Let me also demonstrate by recording my voice. Just the same way, press next, then watch Hypa do its magic. In a new chat, select the ghost icon that appears on top, then start your conversation as usual. But the difference is that in this ghost mode, your chats are not being saved, so there is no memory of this chat. Whenever you click out, it disappears, then you can't find it and it is lost forever. Now you can change the mode of any assistant reply. Just tap on the AI response and you see a button next to the share button. Click it and you get options. Select one and Hypa will process the message based on the new mode you picked. To share or download your audio files, click on the audio file, then you see the download and share button. Click on the download button, then your audio will be downloaded on your PC. Then click the share button, you can share it into anywhere, even Google Drive. Do you want Hypa to sound like you? Clone your voice. Is that you select synthesize or voice chat? Then click on the voice menu, click on my Hypa. Then you'll be taken to this tab where you fill in your voice details so that Hypa can capture your voice. Then after that, click on the update and boom, your voice is part of Hypa. Do you know you can use Hypa anonymously? Just head over to hypachat.com. Without logging in, you can just start your chat from the home page. Then Hypa will instantly reply your message. Need real-time answer? Activate the browse mode. Before sending your message, click the browse option in the chat box, and Hypa will pull a fresh information directly from the web with clickable links so you can explore sources yourself.